Hey everyone, it's Vismaya from Living in Gratitude today. Have you ever thought about, when you were kids and you watched a Superman video and you noticed that every time he got his strength is because he put on his Superman suit? Or Wonder Woman, how she got her strength? She had her lasso and she had the golden cuffs and they would, ward off bullets or what have you. And that's the same thing why I wear my grateful shirt. And that's why people who are gratitude practitioners, or like what I like to call them, gratitude gangsters, you'll always find them in a grateful shirt. And here's what I've learned, and here's what people have told me. They wear their shirts because, number one, grateful becomes their superpower when they're wearing that shirt. They realize that they behave in a certain way, they act in a certain way, they carry themselves in a certain way, they notice more things that they're grateful for. In addition, it also really transforms the people around them. So when people see your grateful shirt, it's happened to me numerous times where I'm stopped in a store and people go, "What's up, grateful?" And they high-five me and they ask me, what I'm grateful for, or they tell me they love my shirt and it gave them something to think about. So I invite you today to go ahead to livingingratitudetoday.com, check out our stash, check out our stock of grateful shirts, put on your grateful shirt, buy a grateful shirt for your family, and let this become your superpower.